One thing about Gogo Maweni's husband, Sabelo, he is the man that he think he is. Even Sumizi has something to say about it. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story today. No, the rest of the house is Samani Pizza Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Yesterday, Osabelo Gogo Maweni's husband surprised us on his Instagram account after posting this picture. Everybody was like, "I, but what is going on here?" But anyway, guys, so with the caption, so today I decided to visit at Monde Shange just to kiss him and spark his ass for fun. He even bought a quota. People were really happy to see him together with Gogo Scott and his husband. Usomizi went on to say, "Why ningishiyile?" Usabelo replied, "I'm sorry, babe, but it wasn't part of the pillow talk." So others went on to say that next time, please, we must see both of you wives together. I hope Gogo Skotene and Gogo Maweni are taking notes, guys. That is a beautiful thing. Finally, Umonde and Sabelo, they have made a peace after Gogo Skotene and Gogo Maweni dragged each other to a point where Ukeli Kumalo also decided to add her opinion on that matter, saying that whatever they are doing, some even went on to say that the message was not directly to Gogo Skotene, but was directly to Gogo Maweni, guys, the one that was said by Ukeli Kumalo. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. At least they decided to be men up and fix the situation. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.